Sorry, taping now.
Christie, do you have the hiccups?
Yes.
Okay.
You can't laugh, that was a rule.
Alright, this is my cure all, every time 100% cure for the hiccups.
Okay.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
First trick is you cannot laugh, even though it's silly and you're drunk. Okay? So, trick is to control your breathing. So, follow my directions and breathe with me, okay?
Okay.
Slowly. Start low and go high. Ready? Here we go. Breathe. Slowly. Way high, as deep as you can go. Now exhale. Slowly. Good. Again. Good. All the way to the top. Good. Now exhale. Slowly. Okay. Now one more time. Again. Slowly. Inhale. And now when you get as deep as you can inhale, hold your breath. At the very top. Good. Now swallow once. Hold your breath. Now swallow one more time. Now hold your breath as long as you can. Cured. You didn't hold your breath as long as you could.
I know.
But I think you got them anyway.
I'm good.
Yeah.
I think I'm good.
Yeah.